And to be able to remove intake manifold, you will need to detach some other stuff, which is shown in this video. Take off this piece. To take off glue plug cap, you need to press from both sides. Undo high pressure pipes. So you need to take off this bracket. It's 12. To take off this pipe. 12mm socket, so undo nuts and bolts. 3 over here and 3 over here. So stud bolts, studs under the nuts. And of course, you need to cut something. That's nice. Now you have access to the pipes on the common rail. To take off intake manifold, clean it, you need to remove high pressure pipes. And then undo 9 bolts, 12mm socket, and also return line, you need to disconnect it. Not much of everything. These bolts. So when you need to remove or install intake manifold, there will be one bolt that is a little bit difficult to undo because of the oil cooler. This bolt you can tighten from over here or undo. Then you connect hand pump to the high pressure pipe of the injector and pump inside fresh fuel, and you will see that the air is flowing. You can use some towel so that will drain all the way on the engine. Left injectors unplugged and crank the engine a couple of times, and then you can connect them and start the engine. Or you can follow this instruction from Mazda that have similar fuel system from Denso. Disconnect battery cable. Connect injectors. Connect battery.